देखो हार्डली 10 मिनट्स महिमा, कितनी देर लोगे? महिमा,
मैम
how
वो
much time?
वीडियो थोड़ी बड़ी है।
How big? How big? How many minutes?
महिमा टेल।
Mahima, tell how many minutes? Uh, what is she telling? I can't hear.
मैम प्लीज डू नॉट अनलिसन दैट। मैम कहीं गाने बज रहे हैं।
हाँ बेटा।
मैम किसी के घर टीवी चल रहा है।
मैम 11 मिनट। मैम
Hello. Yes, beta. It was my son who
मैम
was saying.
11 मिनट।
Can I start?
Yes, Mahima. You can start the Omkaram. 11 minutes, na? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am, I start.
Should I start? Or you're starting, Mahima?
Yes, ma'am,
महिमा
I started.
ओमकारम।
Omkaram first.
Oh, Sarah, ma'am.
Sairam. Yes, Mahima, over to you. Now you can begin your presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after Mahima, then Pravanshika will be ready with her group. Okay?
नो मैम
Yes, ma'am.
प्रवंशिका इज इन आवर ग्रुप।
Okay, she's in your group. Okay, fine. Mahima and
यस मैम।
Pravanshika will start. Okay, fine. After your group, whose chance was it?
Ma'am, we don't know.
Okay. Did I give any boys any this one Vedansh and all?
No,
Pulkit?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can begin, Mahima.
नो मैम प्रवंशिका फर्स्ट यू स्टार्ट। प्रवंशिका फर्स्ट यू स्टार्ट द प्रेजेंटेशन बिकॉज
Okay.
महिमा इज नॉट देयर।
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, it is visible. It is clearly visible.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, her video is not visible.
Better have patience. Give her 2 minutes. बेटा इसी के लिए मैंने मैसेज किया था प्रवंशिका कि रेडी रहना, सो दैट वी डोंट वेस्ट टाइम। महिमा ने टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया। 10
Yes, ma'am.
मिनट 10 मिनट पहले ही आ जाते हैं क्लास में और प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं आपस में।
Ma'am,
मैम हमने करी थी मैम, पता नहीं प्रवंशिका अभी कंप्यूटर से कर रही थी मैम, पता नहीं फिर इसका फोन में।
अभी किससे कर रहे हो प्रवंशिका?
मैम मैं मोबाइल से कर रही हूँ।
कर लोगी उससे?
Yes, मैम।
ओके।
मैम अभी डाउनलोड हो रहा है थोड़ा।
बेटे वो करके ना टैब खोल के रखते हैं, पहले से ही खोल के रखते हैं।
मैम मैंने खोला था पर पता नहीं कैसे क्लोज हो गया वो।
प्रवंशिका इट्स टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। हो गया?
मैम 1 मिनट प्लीज।
ओके टिल
मैम
दैट
हो रहा है
टाइम।
अभी डाउनलोड। मैम
Okay.
डाउनलोड हो रहा है।
Okay. By the time Pravanshika is doing this, we will talk about the next class on when do you have your next period? It is on Monday, isn't it?
मैम नो मैम फ्राइडे।
मैम डाउनलोड हो चुका है।
मैम फ्राइडे।
Okay, I think done, Pravanshika?
Yes, मैम।
Okay, then now first let us all watch this.
मैम दिस इज क्वेश्चन आंसर।
Okay, and you will be asking everyone, okay?
ओके मैम।
English presentation. Play. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, beta, it is clearly visible.
Okay, ma'am. Question and answer. First, why had the monkey welcomed the crocodile?
And whom are you
Ma'am,
asking this
cannot.
question?
Ma'am, I
Your
can.
team members will help you. Cherry, who will be taking the
Yes,
names?
ma'am. Pravanshika, L to Dhruv.
Okay. Please give the answer. Dhruv.
Dhruv, and don't tell please, you're the teacher today, okay? So you will just give an order that Dhruv, you can, do you know the answer or someone else wants to
Yes, ma'am.
attempt?
Okay, ma'am.
Then in the chat box also, Cherry, तुम check करती रहो कौन करना चाहता है.
Okay. Can I go?
Sarah, ma'am.
Sairam.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't know why.
Dhruv.
No problem.
Uh,
Yeah, there are many children who want to attempt.
Cherry.
Janvi. L to Janvi.
जानवी, चेरी तुम ऑन रहो, तुम पूरा टाइम देखती रहो और तुम ही नाम लेना, क्योंकि प्रवंशिका
Yes,
को
ma'am.
नहीं दिखेगा ना
Okay,
जब
ma'am.
स्क्रीन शेयर करेगी.
The crocodile welcomed monkey because his wife wanted to eat his heart.
Answer. The monkey was happy to have a friend. He welcomed the crocodile because he had plenty of sweet fruit to eat. Earlier, he had no friend to talk and share the fruits with.
Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Now, second question.
Cherry, please read it.
Okay. How did the monkey and the crocodile become good friends? Ask to Tanmay.
Because monkey and crocodile because monkey gives crocodile sweet fruit and he was a best friend and they help.
Tanmay, can you on your camera?
Ma'am, my network issue is today.
Okay, okay.
Mahima,
Okay. Answer.
Cherry, please tell.
You can tell
Ask
someone
me.
else also to read. Pravanshika, you can tell someone else to read. And if you're not satisfied with the answer, you can give chance to Vedansh or someone. Vedansh, you can also repeat this answer in your words.
Okay.
Cherry,
Yes.
please ask you.
What?
तुम बच्चे से पूछो क्योंकि I cannot see the screen.
Okay. Aksha. Aksha, give answer.
Vedansh wanted to do, na? He was telling, please, please.
Okay, ma'am. Vedant.
Ma'am, I want to do next question.
Okay, okay. Yes, Aksa, are you there?
Pravanchika.
You quickly change the person's name if the person doesn't want to answer.
Okay, ma'am. Divya.
Please.
मैम बेटेरी मतलब क्या होता है?
What better? Repeat.
मैम बेटरे.
बिट्रे होता है. बिट्रे होता है धोखा देना. ठीक है, because crocodile he betrayed his best friend monkey ना, से धोखा दिया था. So choose to betray.
Okay.
मतलब why did the crocodile?
Yes, ma'am.
Whom did the crocodile choose to betray? किसको उसने betray करने का decide किया? You know the answer. Who is it?
Pravanchika.
Yes.
Vedant still.
Yes. The crocodile want to betray his friend monkey.
Very good.
Ma'am, but crocodile doesn't want to betray monkey. His wife wants to betray the monkey.
मैम
बेटा
इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसा नहीं लिखा कि अगर मैम व्हाई डिड द क्रोकोडाइल चूज टू बेट्रे, तो इसमें मैम ये तब आता कि द क्रोकोडाइल लव्ड हिज वाइफ और उसकी वाइफ ने कहा था उसको. मैम इसमें whom लिखा है तो मैम मतलब इसमें केवल मंकी का नाम.
हाँ, yeah, actually Vedansh is right. The answer आपने whom लिखा, आपको क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना था why. कई बार प्रवंशिका हम नेट से ये लेता है ना तो वो पूरा सही नहीं होता है, उसको क्रॉस चेक जरूर करते हैं. ठीक है, आपने ये नेट से लिया है?
No, ma'am.
अपने आप बनाया?
Yes.
ओके, तो आपने ये whom गलत लिखा है. आपका जो आंसर जिस चीज से मैच करेगा that will be why. Why did the crocodile choose to betray? या आपको लिखना चाहिए था whom, why and whom did the, दोनों आप कर देते ना तो ये पूरा आंसर आ जाता. ओके, एक्चुअली वेदांश वेरी गुड, यू पॉइंटेड दिस आउट. एंड जो लोग ध्यान से देखते हैं सारे पीपीटीज एंड क्लास में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, सिर्फ वही ये गलती निकाल सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेदांश. And the reason this answer is very nice, the crocodile loved his wife. He was also very fond of his friends. मतलब वो दोनों को चाहता था, अपनी वाइफ को भी and his best friend. The monkey, his friend the monkey, he finally decided to betray his friend and please his life partner. क्योंकि उसने बहुत ही बेमन से, उसको पता था वो गलत कर रहा है, but just because वो उसकी life partner थी, wife थी, उसको वो मना नहीं कर पाया, डांट नहीं पाया कि हाउ कैन यू ईट माय फ्रेंड्स हार्ट। उसने डिसाइड किया ठीक है सारी जिंदगी वाइफ के साथ ही रहना है, तो मैं अपने दोस्त की बलि चढ़ा देता हूँ, आई विल बिट्रे माय फ्रेंड। ओके, so very nice question, only that it was why and whom. Okay,
Okay,
next
ma'am.
Pravanchika, next.
How was the monkey taken to crocodile's home? Pravanchika, ask Sumitesh answer. Okay, Mahesh.
The monkey taken to crocodile's home by the help of by sitting on crocodile.
Yes.
Okay, next question.
मैम डाउट।
Yes beta, ask the doubt, ask.
मैम मतलब जो क्या कहते हैं क्रोकोडाइल के वो मतलब उसके वो बैठ के ले गया था, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे मतलब?
बैठा के ले गया था।
यस मैम,
he
मैम वो ले
he
गए थे ना वो।
he made him sit, see it's written na, he rode on the crocodile's back, so he made the monkey sit on his back and took him across the river.
अक्रॉस द रिवर। यस मैम, थैंक यू।
Okay, next question. The monkey was scared and depressed.
Please ask from children.
Can I? Next.
Ask from Divya.
Okay. Yes. Dev.
The monkey was scared and depressed. Why? The monkey was realized the danger to his life. He could not jump into the river as he could not swim. The thought of his sorrow that made him sad and scared.
Can I answer?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next.
The monkey was scared and depressed because the crocodile said to monkey that my wife loves your heart. That makes monkey scared and depressed.
यस मैम। मैम इधर
Beta,
मतलब ऐसा भी-
Manav, Dhaval, why don't you on your camera also when you're speaking?
मैंने भी तो यही बोला।
हाँ बेटा सेम है, बस थोड़े से वर्ड्स इधर उधर है, बोथ आर करेक्ट। हाँ यस मानव, व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग?
मैम मतलब वो डिप्रेस्ड और स्केर्ड उसमें भी हो गया था जब उसके क्या कहते हैं उसने क्रोकोडाइल ने बोला था कि मतलब क्या कहते हैं उसको कि उसका हार्ट चाहिए वो उसके वाइफ को, तो मैम वो भी आंसर हो सकता है ना?
हाँ, she was, मतलब एक्चुअली he was depressed because जैसे आपको मैं कहूँ कि अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को आप धोखा दो तो आपको कैसा लगेगा, आप डिप्रेशन में चले जाओगे ना, बार बार आपका दिमाग खराब होएगा कि क्यों मैं करूं ऐसे। तो सेम थिंग इज द क्रोकोडाइल वाज the monkey was scared and depressed because he could not believe। आप जैसे किसी के जैसे महेश के आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो और आपको पता चलता है कि महेश आपको धोखा दे रहा है ना, तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? आपको डर भी लगेगा और आपको डिप्रेशन भी होएगी। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज दैट व्हेन ही डिड नॉट रियलाइज दैट सच ए गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ हिम, मतलब द बेस्ट फ्रेंड जिसके साथ ये घंटों पूरा दिन बिताता था, वो ऑल ऑफ ए सडन उसकी मतलब जान के पीछे पड़ा है। एंड सो ही वाज वेरी वेरी, एंड धोखा ये दे रहा था कि माय वाइफ हैज कुक्ड फॉर यू, कम एंड हैव डिनर विद अस एंड ऑल दैट, ये कह के धोखा दे के वो ले जा रहा था उसको मारने। So that is why he was depressed. He could not believe that it was his friend. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice questions by Pravanchika. Next question.
Ma'am, I want to read this question too.
Please.
What? Mahima?
Okay.
Okay. Pravanchika, read the question.
Pravanchika, read the question.
Mahima, please read it.
What did the monkey do as he reached the tree? Anubha, can you?
Okay.
Who wants to
Anubha?
answer this answer?
Okay, Manav.
Shalu? Okay, Manav.
Okay. The monkey do as he reached the tree because he know crocodile's wife he eat the heart, so he reached the tree.
Someone want to answer?
Who else?
Anyone also want to answer?
I.
Who?
Can I?
Okay. Okay. Switch on your camera also.
Okay. दिव्य अपना कैमरा ऑन करो.
Can I answer?
First, Dev and then you.
दिव्य.
Okay, Janvi, you answer. Janvi?
The monkey reached the tree by tricking the crocodile by telling her, I have left my heart in the tree.
Okay, Vedant, answer.
Yes. The monkey take big sigh of relief and he plucked two or three fruits from the branches and throw them to the crocodile and said, "You can eat these fruits." Rather,
Okay, Manish.
Okay.
Mahesh.
The monkey when the monkey climbed on the tree, he took a good relief and got some fruits from the tree and threw it to the crocodile and said, "Bye bye. You can eat these fruits, but not me."
Okay. Pravanchika, next question.
The next.
Read.
Jia, can you read?
Yes. The monkey was happy. Pravanchika, question तुम्ही read करो.
Okay. Mahesh, please answer it.
First, read the question.
Yes, read question.
Okay, the monkey was happy living in the fruit tree, but his happiness was not complete. What did he miss? He missed a friend. He have loads of foods and a good place to live, but just a friend is what he missed.
Okay, Jia, answer.
You can give compliments also, like Cherry, Pravanchika and all. Very nice answer, very well attempted, है ना? ऐसे जैसे हम लोग भी आपको encourage करते हैं ना, तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे phrases बोल सकते हो. And give chance to Devanshu also. Today I'm
Okay,
seeing Devanshu after a lot of days.
Devanshu,
Yes. Please read
answer
the
the
answer.
question.
The monkey was happy in his fruit tree home. He had plenty to eat, but he had no company. He felt lonely. He needed a companion to talk to and also to share his fruits.
Okay, very good. Next question. Pravanchika, you only read the question.
Okay.
Read.
Please answer it. Manasva. Please read the question, Manasva.
Yes.
Pravanchika, you only read the question.
Okay. What did the two friends generally talk about?
Manas,
Manas.
answer.
Answer.
The two friends generally talk about the buy the food items and treats.
Can I?
No.
It is wrong.
No.
Can I?
Wrong answer.
Can I?
Can I?
Can I,
Manav.
Manav? Okay. They
Write in
talked about
chat box.
birds and animals, about the villagers nearby and the difficulties villagers faced in raising good crops, fall, rain.
Okay, very nice. The two friends talked about birds, animals, nearby villages and
Villagers' difficulties. Okay.
Okay. Next question. Read.
Why was the crocodile's wife annoyed with her husband one day?
Can I?
Vedant, write
No.
in chat box. Pranav,
Aryan.
okay. Vedant, tell.
Okay.
His wife was annoyed because the crocodile was coming very late and he talked.
Okay.
Nice. Tanmay,
Can I?
Yes.
okay, answer.
The crocodile's wife
Can.
was annoyed of waiting for the crocodile to come home and in managing the little crocodile.
The word is annoyed. Okay, Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Annoyed. Repeat this word.
And
Annoyed. ध्यान से सुनो.
Annoyed.
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 हाँ,
Annoyed.
बार बार बोलोगे आ जाएगा. Annoyed. Okay.
Okay, next.
What did the crocodile tell the monkey midstream?
What is the
Next.
meaning of midstream? Anyone? What is the meaning of midstream?
मैम can I?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
Vedant.
मैम बीच रास्ते में.
हाँ, बीच रास्ता तो midway हो जाएगा ना?
मैम बीच
मैम stream
हाँ.
मतलब मैम बीच नदी में.
हाँ, बीच नदी में. वो झील थी या नदी whatever, तो उसके बीच में, मतलब बीच रास्ते में जब वो जा रहे थे, जब बीच झील में.
मैम बीच
Okay.
टाइम में भी हो सकता है.
क्या बीच?
मैम कैन आई
समय मैं मतलब समय में
नहीं 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 नहीं, मिड टाइम होगा ना वो.
यस
ओके. यस.
Okay, Mehak, answer. Okay, Sandeep,
यस
कैन आई
Yes, ma'am.
Mehak, answer this question.
Mehak, are you there?
यस
Beta,
मैम.
on your camera.
मैम मेरा कैमरा 2 दिनों से पता नहीं क्यों नहीं खुल रहा है.
बेटा इससे पहले भी कहाँ तुम खोल के रखती थी. गलत बात है,
Yes, ma'am.
छुट्टियों में आपने ठीक भी नहीं कराया.
नो मैम, उस दिन सागर सर ने भी कहा था तो भी नहीं खुल पाया था.
अब प्लीज ट्राई दैट इन नवंबर मंथ व्हेन द स्कूल स्टार्ट्स अगेन, मतलब व्हेन वी मीट, तो
Yes,
यू
ma'am.
हैव टू गेट इट prepared.
Yes, ma'am, I try.
Even Divya wants to answer, Cherry.
Okay, Dev,
Yes. Why did the crocodile tell the monkey midstream? The crocodile told the monkey that his wife wanted to eat his heart.
okay, nice.
Anyone
Devansh,
want to answer? Yes,
Devanshu,
Devanshu.
The crocodile tell the monkey in the midstream that his wife wants his heart for eating.
okay, nice.
बेटा पास्ट टेंस में करते हैं दिवांशु, एंड दूसरों के लिए भी है ये. टोल्ड हो जाएगा, टेल हो जाएगा, टोल्ड. द क्रोकोडाइल टोल्ड द मंकी, और यू कैन आल्सो चेंज द वर्ड इन्फॉर्म्ड. इन्फॉर्म्ड होता है आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दी, तो इन्फॉर्म द मंकी मिड स्ट्रीम दैट हिज वाइफ was going to eat his heart at dinner. Like
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Pravanchika, answer. Okay,
The
next question.
crocodile told the monkey that his wife wanted to eat his heart.
Okay, next. Pravanchika, how many are left?
20. There are 20 question answer.
Okay.
We are in 11.
Then this sentence should be, there are a total of 20 questions. Okay. See, only 4 minutes are left. I want you to quickly rush up. Okay. आप
Okay.
ऐसे करो, बाकी आप ही आपस में दोनों पढ़ो और बोलो. ठीक है? Because मुझे instructions देने हैं बाकी बच्चों को उसके बाद.
Pravanchika, you read the question and I read the answer.
Great.
Okay. Where the monkey lived?
Answer. The monkey lived in a fruit-laden tree on the bank of a river.
Why was the crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home?
Answer. The crocodile's wife wanted to eat the heart of the monkey. The crocodile refused to oblige her. He could not betray his fast friend. He shouted at her angrily.
Why was the monkey happy or unhappy?
The monkey was happy because he had plenty of sweet fruits to eat. He was unhappy because he was alone. He had no friend to talk and share the fruits with.
Why did the crocodile agree to fulfill his wife's demand?
Answer. The crocodile loved his wife. He was also very fond of his friend, the monkey. He finally decided to betray his friend and please his life partner.
How did the monkey respond to crocodile's invitation?
Answer. The monkey readily agreed to go with his friend, but he was not a swimmer. He rode on the crocodile's back and they set out.
What did the monkey do as he reached the tree?
Answer. The clever monkey climbed the tree. He offered some fruit to his friend. He declared that they won't meet again.
Where the monkey and the crocodile met regularly and talked.
They met regularly and talked. The monkey in the tree and the crocodile on the ground.
Why did the crocodile's wife want to eat the monkey's heart?
The crocodile wife was annoyed with him for spending a lot of time with the monkey. She was fed up with managing the young ones alone, so he was planned to get rid of the monkey.
What does the poet say about the crocodile?
Answer. The poet says that if someone is Pravanchika, it's not clear.
One second, I read it. The poet. One second.
Pravanchika, leave it.
1 minute. Second. The poet says that if someone, next question answer please.
Beta, वैसे भी it wasn't the poet, it is the writer. Is it a poet? It's a story, no? It's not a poem.
Why monkey? Pravanchika, read the question.
Why monkey discontinue his friendship with the crocodile?
Answer. The monkey discontinued his friendship with the crocodile because he wanted to save his life from the crocodile's wife. Mom, done.
Yes, Beta, excellent questions and very nice PPT, Pravanchika. Great.
Okay,
So I will. This group was very strong. Excellent. Clapping for you people. And what I was telling, next time I want a grammar topic to be taken. So is Tanmay there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tanmay, you along with Devanshu. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And you people decide who will show the video, who will explain. I think Devanshu can do the explanation. Both of you are very good in explanation. So छोटे से ग्रामर में तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आपको बहुत अच्छे वीडियो मिलते हैं, छोटे जैसे एक वीडियो में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट है, दूसरे में एक्स्ट्रा 3 मिनट्स के भी बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं. एंड टेक स्मॉल इंग्लिश वंस, ओके, हु आर एक्सप्लेनिंग इन इंग्लिश. नहीं मिलते तो आप हिंदी के भी ले सकते हो. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू वन मोर बॉय, that is
Ma'am, Dhaval.
no, Dhaval actually strong है, मैं उसको किसी कहीं और रखूंगी. Aryan. Okay, this group is already strong, so I will not put Dhaval over here. Devanshu, Tanmay and Aryan. Aryan, are you there? Please on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ओके, आप तीनों कोऑर्डिनेट कर लेना, ठीक है. आपको हमारे क्लास के ग्रुप से फोन नंबर भी मिल जाएगा. नहीं है तो मैं अभी जब मीटिंग लीव करूंगी तो आप अपना यहाँ पर चैट बॉक्स में फोन नंबर डाल सकते हो, तो ये दोनों भी नोट कर लेंगे, है ना आर्यन? ओके, देवांशु कांटेक्ट कर लोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड आई थिंक, आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर फ्राइडे इज ए हॉलीडे बिकॉज बकरीद है शायद उस दिन, तो पता चल जाएगा थर्सडे को. ओके, otherwise I will do Tata H, and on Wednesday, next Wednesday, you three will do Tanmay, Devanshu and Aryan. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. मानव, क्या पूछ रहे हो आप लोग?
मैम मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब अभी एग्जाम एक हुएगा ना, एक वो नवंबर को, तो फिर उसमें कितने चैप्टर आएंगे?
नहीं, वो हम आपको बता देंगे बेटा। आपको टूल्स मिल गए क्या, क्या क्या आएगा?
मैम जयसन ने तो बता दिए।
No,
यस मैम,
ma'am.
यस सर ने बता दिया।
हाँ ठीक है, हम भी आपको बता देंगे। ये देखो आर्यन, इसने फोन नंबर डाला है, नोट कर लो, लिख लो कहीं। एंड यू ऑल्सो तन्मय। ओके, तो कौन कितने बजे क्या करेगा, अच्छे से आपस में स्क्रीन शेयर करके प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, ताकि उस दिन हमारा 1 मिनट भी वेस्ट ना हो। ओके, आप एक दूसरे के भी फोन नंबर नोट कर लो या स्क्रीनशॉट फोटो ले लो एक कैमरे से। एंड आई विल टेल यू बेटा विच चैप्टर विल कम और व्हाट नथिंग। हम शायद चैप्टर वाइज नहीं लेंगे, हम दूसरी कोई रीडिंग करेंगे। हम आपको टूल्स बता
Okay,
देंगे,
ma'am.
ठीक है। एंड वेडनेसडे रिमेंबर, तन्मय, you people don't waste the time. मजा आ रहा है ना, हम बना भी रहे हैं, सीख भी रहे हैं,
यस
है ना?
यस मैम।
And your topic, हाँ, your topic will be articles.
ओके मैम।
देवांशु, हाँ, एंड अच्छी सी एक्सरसाइजेस वगैरह ढूंढना, और जितने प्रैक्टिस हो सके, सिंगल सिंगल फिल्म ब्लैंक की जगह थोड़े थोड़े 3 3 4 4 लाइंस के कुछ कर लो, नहीं तो पीपीटी बना लो, फिर बाकी बच्चे भी चांस लेंगे, है ना? ऐसे कुछ आपस में आप लोग। एंड पहले वीडियो दिखाना, फिर एक्सरसाइजेस। ओके ओके, बाय देन, टेक केयर,
Bye, ma'am.
बाय बाय।
मैम, बाय मैम।
Bye.